To set up YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV, start by ensuring your television is connected to the internet. Open the SmartCast app on your Vizio TV. This is usually found on the home screen. If you do not see it, you can find it in the App Store and download it. Once you have opened SmartCast, navigate to the App Store and search for YouTube TV. Click on the YouTube TV app icon and select Install. Wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few minutes. After the app has installed, click on it to open. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Enter your email and password to sign in. Once you have signed in, you will be asked to agree to the terms of service and confirm your location. This is necessary to provide you with the correct channels and content. Next, you will be prompted to set up your YouTube TV subscription. If you are a new user, you can sign up for a free trial. If you already have a subscription, simply click to confirm. Now you can start watching live TV, on-demand content, and sports. You can browse through the various channels and shows available, and also search for specific content. To get the most out of YouTube TV, make sure to customize your settings. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting your preferences, such as closed captions and parental controls. It is also a good idea to set up multiple user profiles, so each member of your household can have their own personalized experience. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select Add Profile. Finally, make sure to check for updates regularly to ensure you have the latest features and channels. You can do this by going to the App Store and checking for updates. By following these steps, you can easily set up YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV and start enjoying your favorite shows and sports.